Okay, quick question. Would you rather have a good-looking slow car or an ugly-looking fast car? Comment in the section below. Now, what's up, family? Welcome back. We are again here with another adventurous vlog. I told you guys I'd be trying to post at least 2 times a week. I'm actually trying to aim for 3 this week, so the challenge is on. But today is another exciting day because I'm actually meeting up with an old high school friend who, matter of fact, is in the YouTube game as well. I thought it was a great idea to try and do a collaboration to introduce him to you guys and kind of share out his journey. He has a unique build for himself as well, and he's put a lot of dedication, hard work into it. So I'm excited to see it and just see him in general. We haven't seen each other for years, I think ever since high school, and that's been a couple years from now. So it's gonna be an exciting day. Hey, what's up, bro?
What up?
Hey.
How you been?
So we're here with my boy Notrigga. I haven't seen this guy since high school.
It's been so long, man. So long.
For real. And he has a sick 370Z drift build that he's been working on for a fat minute, man.
Hey,
how's it been?
It's been good. It's been good. It's definitely been a crazy journey, guys. If you guys don't know me, my social media will be in the description. Ryan will tag it. But
go ahead, man. Let him know too, right here.
My Instagram handle is Notrigga, Notrigga, and my YouTube channel as well is just TRIGGA space M on YouTube. I upload every week, guys, on this build. I have endless amount of mods. You already know this is a drift build, like he said. So you want to get right into it? You want me to tell you what's been done? What kind of
yeah. I think the viewers rather just have us dive right into it. So let's just get it started.
All right, so we're gonna start with popping up the hood. First thing too, these are one-of-one carbon fiber custom vents that I made for this Z. You won't see any Z out there with this setup. As you can see, they have some gnarly wounds from this mod too, but it's a race car drift build. It's what comes with builds like this. But we'll get right to the motor. The motor is bone stock, guys. There's nothing done to it right now. We just have some regular K&N intakes, a catch can, PVC delete, some nice hoses, power steering. We also got a nice set of oil coolers down below for power steering, tranny, and our engine oil. For drifting, we use a lot of just throttle. We gas it a lot. Your oil temps are gonna be skyrocketing, so those things are needed. These are some carbon fiber intakes vents. Right now I don't have my long tube intakes, but as if you check on my channel, I have a set of custom 3-inch intakes that I've made myself for this car, which we'll go through and I'll wrap around and you'll be able to see them through this vent. But for the engine part, that's pretty much it. The front end is an Amuse style front bumper. My own custom bash bar that I built for it with I think it's like a 32-inch light bar, but just wanted to make some people blind, you know. All right, so now we're going to the back of the car. This is where all the dancing and all the fun is, guys. So we got a dual set of calipers in the rear. This isn't no base caliper or small stuff. These are the big boy Alcabono calipers that come with the 370Z. They're like the premium brakes, but I wanted 2 of them. I thought it would look sick, and we have dual caliper system. We have some PBM coilovers for drifting. They're the drift spec. I think they were like 18K in the front, 6K in the rear, so they're super buttery in the rear. We're gonna use this mirror that I have to show you guys what's really going on under here. So the suspension has been fully pulled out for the rear subframe, and I've replaced all my arms with Voodoo 13 billet control arms. So right there in this picture, you see there the silver arm, which is the traction arm. Then we have our dog bone looking thing, which is the control arm. And then we have our toe arm, which is the green one right there. I also have the sole function suspension braces for the traction arm and the toe arm, which kind of holds. So if these are the 2 points for those arms, this bar in the middle holds those 2 points together. So if the suspension is to travel, the middle of the suspension stays the same. It's kind of just like a brace and cosmetically looks good. Shout out to Soul Function, they sent me it. Alright, so now that we're under here, we check out the diff. So this is my diff. It's a Nismo GT Pro clutch type diff. It's like a VLSD almost, you would say, but it has a cooling system that I designed. You won't find the system in the market anywhere. I built it myself. And what happens is the oil gets sucked out from here and it moves through these lines and it goes to this big gear pump that's right here. And this gear pump is going to move the oil to this oil cooler, which will cool the fluids coming from the diff. This diff is going to get abused. I plan on just full-time abusing it. That's what I'm building it for. And this is a much needed upgrade if you plan on drifting, especially with a Z. You want to keep that diff healthy. It is a very expensive piece, so it's probably best that you do this if you have a Z. Check out my channel, all this stuff is on there. Alright, so last piece of this build so far is the trunk. So we got my subs, got two 12-inch W3s, and my Soul Function suspension brace. And what this brace is, it holds the coilovers, which are under it, together, and it bolts up. So bolts up to the side pillars where the T-bone of the car is, and it comes here and it's all stiffened out with this middle piece. You do feel a big difference when you install this. I say this is probably one of my favorite mods actually on this car, because you really get the feeling out of it. Most people don't see subs in a drift car. I like to bump my music, you know, keeping it. I don't care what people say, is my build. Alright, so these are what I run on my car currently. These are work CR2 PCs, and the C stands for custom spec. I'm not gonna give you my full spec, but this wheel is a 19 times 12.5. The offset is a little saucy secret. And then last is the intakes that I was talking about. So I have two of these obviously, but these are what we fabbed up. NFA helped me out make them, but I designed these, and you get the picture. See, this is like, I guess this could be almost a meme. Like, this is you and this is the guy she told you not to worry about.
Yeah, so that's Notrigga's build right here, guys, aka TRIGGA. Check him out on YouTube. Like I said, he's done a lot. How many of your subscribers are you at right now?
I think I'm currently almost at like 403 subscribers.
403?
Yeah,
dude,
man.
we gotta get this guy to 1,000. So I know my supporters are out there. If my supporters can, you know, check out his 370Z build, especially if you see his content. He puts a lot of work and dedication into filming it. So let's try and get this guy to 1,000, guys. All right.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. I really appreciate it. I appreciate you coming out, man.
Yeah, of course, man. I'm glad.
I haven't seen you in so long, dude.
Yeah.
We go back a while. It's crazy.
Hey, actually, ever since middle school is when I known this guy.
It's
so.
crazy. We're all grown up now, and such a small world, guys. You wouldn't imagine both of us doing YouTube, having just builds that we like doing. This is like a culture. I don't even know how to say it, man. It's crazy. It's such an awesome feeling, and seriously, bro, thanks for coming out. It means the world, dude. Actually, let me tell this too. For all the new subscribers who subscribe to my channel, if you screenshot that you subscribe and send it to me, I'll send you guys a free sticker on me. So
hey,
they get something out of it too. I guess that's it.
Alright, so now that we finally introduced Notrigga's 370Z to you guys, we don't know what the rest of the plans are. I think we're kind of just going with the flow. His buddy is coming over with a drone, and I guess he does a lot of drone footage or drone filming, and so we're probably going to take my SI out and do some footage of that. His 370Z is obviously not in the state to be moving since he's still working on it. But it's going to be an exciting vlog day. Aside from that, make sure you go subscribe to Notrigga. He's one guy that I've seen put a lot of hard work and dedication, not only into his car, but his filming. And so I feel like if we can help him reach 1,000, that'd be great. Just put in his most recent video, Phong sent you. So we're up here, up in Mexico. All right, we're about to take Notrigga here for a spin in the SI. So
do it. So excited to
I got the GoPro attached, so we'll see his reaction inside.
Woo, so excited.
It's not pushing that much, man. I'm telling you, it's not pushing that much, man. It's here and there.
Let's see. Honda's gonna prove me wrong or what? You gonna put me in my seat?
Nah, we'll see, bro. We'll see.
Man, you a fucking liar, dude. This is fast as hell, bro. Fuck, Ryan, that was fucking fast, dude. I did not expect that out of this. That was insane. I love how it sits you back, dude. You were saying it doesn't do that? It fucking does that shit, no doubt. Maybe for you, since you drive it every day.
Yeah, maybe that's because I drive it every day. I just feel it, you know?
God damn, dude. He said this shit ain't fast. He a liar, bro. This shit's fast as fuck.
All right, so we just changed locations now. We got Hayden over here. He's got already the drone in the sky. I don't even know where it's at. It's gone. Where is your drone?
Right there. Oh, the tree's camouflage.
Oh yeah, I can see the green light just beeping. So we're gonna get some sick drone footage of the SI, and then he is gonna probably get a flyby clip. I'll probably hand him my camera too, so he can do a flyby clip as well. And then yeah. Yeah, see, now it's working. It's really weird the way these HIDs are. So you guys probably saw it in the clip, me doing the flyby. These HIDs are super weird sometimes. Sometimes the passenger side just doesn't go on, and then if I just turn it off and turn it back on, it finally goes on. So they're working.
Yeah, at least it works.
Whew. All right. We're finally home. I usually like to end these videos here in the SI, and I'm gonna be 100% honest. I am depleted of energy right now. It is all down the drain. I'm so tired, but I have to end the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's super adventurous vlog. We are second for the week now. I am trying to go for a third. We're gonna see. We're gonna see if we can attempt it. Other than that, I want to thank you guys all for watching. Thank you all for the support. Same thing, if we can help out Notrigga and hit up his YouTube, I'll put it all in the description below, but here it is as well. Check him out on YouTube, check him out on Instagram. I'll have both social media links below. Help him at least reach 1,000 on YouTube. I know there are over 9,000 of you on my channel, and the follow rate isn't that great, but if we can at least get 1,000 people over, that'd be great. I know it'd be really great for him. He really dedicates himself into his work and to his videos, and has a pretty sick build. I know it's not a 10th gen, but it's definitely something different in the field of the 370Z world, I feel. So check him out. If you do, go on his latest video and just put Phong sent you. Other than that, guys, I'm gonna keep this very short. I will see you guys either one more time this week or next week. So as always, guys, keep grinding, stay humble, and yeah, that. Thanks for watching.